Are we recording? Yeah, apparently. Hola, amigos y amigas. Hello, friends. The subject I would like to entertain today is a German physicist. But I think it was German, Heisenberg. I think it was a 20th century physicist. And now, Heisenberg, after observing the collidon, you know what a collidon is? You know what collidon is? I don't know either. Well, it's a how can I put it? An experimental experiment with the accelerated atoms in a tunnel. The biggest one is still in CERN in Switzerland, but we're building one in the U.S. that is going to be bigger than that. And then what do? You for example, you try to mimic, try to imitate the behavior of an atom. So the atom, they go very fast, they go very fast. And so this collidon is like a several miles around. And then they send it, and then the atom actually has a decision to make. You go that way or go that way. And well, I don't know. You know, this experiment is like I don't know, it's 90 years old, something like that. But Heisenberg, he has a theory that's called indetermination of matter. All right, which interestingly coincides with an ancient Greek. I think it was Aristoteles, Socrates, one of those guys, maybe Socrates, that said that knowledge is unattainable. I cannot know. I cannot know. You see that before Christ, before Christ. Then in the 20th century, a physicist comes to the same conclusion that we cannot know because we conducted an experiment talking about the scientific method. You know, you practice, you advance at the right one is planned, and you conduct experiments to try to corroborate your theory. And usually you're wrong, and that's fine. That's science. Science is trial and error. So you try. Okay, well, my idea that we can know, well, apparently we can. Because if you try to predict the behavior of an atom, and you put an atom in an acceleron, collidon, it behaves in unexpected ways. And therefore, that's what. Well, actually, it's a slight difference here because uh, Socrates said we cannot know. Period. We cannot know. Now, Heisenberg says the indetermination of matter. We don't know what matter is. Well, he doesn't. He didn't say that. We don't know where it's going, right? Because you launch an atom in an acceleron, it can go that way. So the atom makes decisions. Will it go that way? Will it go that way? Probably, my guess, some gravitational force. But that's my guess. That some gravitational force attract the atom that way rather than this other way because they give it the choice. They give it the choice. You can go this tunnel, you can go that other tunnel. And he chooses one tunnel, the atom. And that's what Heisenberg called the indetermination of matter. I'm gonna say it again. Then go digging, go digging. So anyway, I think, I think that's very deep, very deep. And so we're like that. That's what I paint so much. Paint because color has been think because different wavelengths and things like that. They stimulate the imagination. So I paint and paint and paint. I have 10,000 paintings over here, and I give to my neighbors and everybody. So anyway, that's what I want to talk about. Heisenberg and the relationship. I don't know if relationship is the correct word, but similarity, perhaps to a certain extent, between Socrates in ancient Greece and Heisenberg, a physicist, in the 20th century in the Western Hemisphere. Good thing, good thing. Love you. But I'm gonna say, send me your address down boom, and I send you a painting. You choose. I'll show you my catalog. Yeah, I have to develop a catalog yet, but I have 10,000 paintings over here. Okay, bye.